Hey YouTube, today I'm going to be showing you how to bring back the classic 3D Maze screensaver on your Windows 11. If you ever used an older Windows computer, you probably remember this one, but uh, let's say like you can leave your computer for a few minutes and then suddenly you're just inside this 3D maze. It's probably one of the most iconic screensavers ever, so the first thing you want to do, I'll put the link in the description to this website, or you can just type it on here. And then for the 3D maze, all you need to do is search up 98 3D maze, and then it will show up right here. So it's free too. Everything on here, I think it should be free. There might be some you may have to pay for. So all you have to do is click on download, and then it should be downloading. It's 20 seconds. So if you're on Google, it will show up on there. But it will be called SS Maze. Click on save. It's going to save as a zip file. So what you're going to need to do is extract the file. I'm just going to use like the regular extractor they have on Windows. So there's that one. And then it should be saved in as an SCR file. So just click on it once. And there you go. There's the 3D maze where you don't do the moving, it just does it for you. If you move the mouse once, yeah, it will end the screensaver right there. So yeah, that's it. And then there are also more screensavers on here as well. So let's say if you want to do 3D pipes, you can also do that one. And you can also do the flip clock or the matrix one as well. So that's a quick tutorial on how to use the screensaver. Yeah. Uh, After that, you should be good. Uh, you don't see it. It should be on your downloads. Remember to extract. All you got to do is click extract all, and then it will show up as this file, and then you can click on it. If this helped you, you can leave comment, subscribe, like. Let me know if it doesn't work. Let me know. I'll try and see if I can fix the problem that you have. So thanks for watching. If you want more Windows nostalgia videos like this, just leave it in the comments.